So hello everyone, welcome to another video with Koli. So today we want to see different phase of hacking, and when we want to hack something, or when hacking wants to be done, which stage, which phases should be passed. So today we will look through it. I just found the website, and I found it nice, so we will go with this. And here you can see the phase of hacking, and the first phase is reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining, and the last one is clearing track. So first of all, when we want to hack something or do penetration test, the first stage is reconnaissance. So we should gain information as much as we can. So I already have some videos about this topic. So we should gain different type of information, and it has two types of methodology. So active and passive. So active is when we directly talk to the system and ask for information about the system directly. So you can see, for example, from Nmap. But passive information is just through the internet, social media, or different websites. So we gain some information about our target. So all of them are information gathering. Second phase is scanning. So we should do port scanning or vulnerability scanning, network mapping. So generally it means first we should see which type of service our target has, and after that see which type of vulnerabilities the service on our target has. And we can also with network mapping we should gain some idea how is the architecture behind our system. For example, routers, firewalls, this kind of information. After that is a stage of gaining access. So here the attacker wants to break the system and gain access, and using different tools. So the attacker can use the vulnerability which is in the system and gain access. So this is the third level or third phase in this cycle. After that is maintaining the access. So the hacker could enter the system, but he wants to stay logged in. So he wants to have access for a longer time. So in this case the hacker tries to use Trojan or rootkit, different stuff to maintain the access. And obviously he doesn't want to user understand someone has access. And the last stage is clearing the track. So when everything is done, the hacker gain the information, so he wants to clear everything, and then he leaves everything as it was before hacking. So he tries to clean the stuff, deleting the logs or whatever, all he did, and this is the last stage of hacking. And so this is a summary of how the procedure should be done. So it has 5 steps, and each of them, of course, there are much more information in each title, but in this video I just wanted to summarize them and to give you a general idea how it should be. And for some of these stages I already have videos on my YouTube channel, and you can look through them. And also for the others I will upload videos later, of course. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day.